All right. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Yeah, my name is Stable Life. Welcome. It is Stable Life. Welcome to the second video. Yeah. So I said earlier that what we are meant to do in the market is not just to think before the market do something. No, it's just to react to the market, because we must allow the market to do the thinking for us. Yes, not we now trying to put what we are thinking, that I'm thinking price should do this, If that is how these top traders does, most of them won't be where they are today. So if you want to get to the top, you have to think like a pro trader, like a professional trader. You don't just enter the market anyhow. because for example, now I was telling you guys in the first video that imagine I entered here, I might put my stop loss here. Just imagine how much I would have lost due to my impatience trying to move more than 24 pips or so, trying to move before the market, thinking that I'm smarter, thinking that I want to catch the top. No. One of the things you should always think about is just the preservation of your capital. I want to preserve my capital, so whenever I'm entering the market, I'm entering with a particular target. What is market doing right now? What is market telling me to do? Should I trade this? Does it goes along with my plan? Has it taken the liquidity, or am I the liquidity? So many things. And I said in the previous videos that when I saw the market was moving illegally, I was saying that since market did not actually since market did not actually follow this plan here, then I was searching for liquidity around. I said, no liquidity here. Then I saw liquidity here, and I said, oh, that is why this buy is valid. That was why I took the buys, because it had flows along with my with my confluence, and with my rules, with my goals, And I noticed that one of my like my first confluence is SMT. There was no SMT, so I am good to go. So now let's now go back and fully understand what this market is trying to do for this week. This is Thursday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday. Market started as what? As a sell. As a sell on Monday, sell on Tuesday, reverse on Wednesday. It expanded on Thursday. So there's a tendency that market might still go higher. Now after it goes higher, it falls back. So now let's go back to our DXY, the main domain. Let's now look at what I was trying to explain well in the when I first released that first video about taking lower highs and all of that. Yeah, so this is it now. Is the lower low. Lower low. Just follow me. Lower low. Lower low. Lower low. Now the lower lows now. Do they take any of the lows? Do the initial took out the previous? No. 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 Market was just doing what? Market expanded, reversed, expanded, reversed, expanded, reversed, expanded, reversed, expanded, reverse, expand. Do you guys not get what market is trying to do now? So everything just impulse. Sorry. Everything just impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction. Provided that what? The lower low, this lower low here is still what? Protected. It's still protected. So that means what? That means every movement is still valid. So far, this is protected because this was protected, 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 protected. So far this low you are seeing here is not taken. So I see no reason why price should not, should not sell. I mean, should not continue buying. I see no reason. So we might be expanding. We might be expecting price. Like I said, don't go and put limit now. I'm saying that someone said market will do something. So it's market can do that, but we are not just move ahead of the market. No, we will react. So tomorrow is still there. Next week is still there. No FOMO, no fear of missing out. So I'm expecting market to what? To decide. Yeah. Let me do it well. Yeah. Okay, to decide. Yeah. Yes. That's what I'm expecting market to do. And the market might even just say it's not doing no. That I want to reverse at this point. I want to reverse at this point. That is market for that is price for you. So if what is happening now tomorrow comes and I see that market aligns with some of my confluence, I will enter with my full chest, which I'll still talk about. Do we get? So now let's go and check EURUSD now. Euro network, make we see euro. Same thing on euro too. Same thing on euro too. Higher high. Yeah, so as we're saying, the higher highs here. No higher high here. Higher highs here. Yes. So you can say that there is no violation above those higher highs. No violation. Market did not violate them. What we are seeing is just what? Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, and what? Impulse down to the higher lows. So market is just taking the what? The higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. How the market just taking the higher lows. So now we have to act smartly, very smartly. So I'm not saying now because I said the market will take your higher lows now. You don't want to go and say you want to go and put your entry at the point. No, you wait. Like I said, wait. I was telling it earlier that I don't want. I was saying it in the previous video that I don't want price to actually close close above this fair value gap here. I was saying it, if some of you can remember well, I don't want market to close above this what fair value gap. So now, because I said I don't want it to close now, did not mean that I just entered like that. No, I did not enter like that. So I will wait till tomorrow, see what market brings. If its market aligns with my own confluence, then I snipe. Oh no, I don't mean that I'm looking for sniper entry. No, I mean, sniper don't just shoot anyhow. They wait and they take their target, and it's what 100% or 99% target accuracy. So do we get? So now let me talk about one of my entry model, one of my confluence. Yeah. So now let me take you guys to see this candlestick here. Look at these 3 candlestick here. Yes, this, I'm coming. Yeah, I'll show you guys. No, 1, 2, 3. Yes, the first one, which is this one, the first one here went. The second one what swept. The third one what just went behind. Look at what the fourth candle came to do. After the third candle, what was a bearish engulfing candle. The fourth candle here did not reach the second one. It was the first candle the market was tapped. And look at the pips. Look how it dropped. Look how it dropped. It dropped. It wiped out this one away. Wipe out this one away too. So you know what now? You go back to your chart. Check and see those candles, and you say that it actually works. Yeah, it works. It works. Same thing happened on the XY too. Yeah. So and even SMT too. SMT means smart money techniques. Meaning if EU now takes a high, the XY should not take a low. If the XY did not take the low, then we are valid. There's a smart money reversal. There's a reversal that is imminent. But once EU takes a low and the XY takes the high, forget it. That's initial trend will continue. There's no reversal. But if the EU takes the low and the XY did not take the high, the initial trend is likely to not to continue. Be it that it aligns with time and it's on what, and it aligns with time and it follows liquidity too, because those things you have to be very, 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 you have to open your eyes to see them. So yeah, so I think we are good for today. Yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow, and I'll talk and I'll still explain what happens tomorrow too. So okay. Let me tell you guys what even happened today. Let me open you guys eyes to something spectacular today. I'm coming. Hold on. I'm coming. Give me one. Look at me, wow. Okay, I've seen it. You guys should know I'm trying to carry my chart. No. Yeah. Yeah. Because some people can be funny and they might start taking this video as their own. So I need to be very, very smart about that. So let's do something now. You will go back to your chart and go and do this same thing. Now, see what happened today. I want to just focus on today. I don't want to focus on yesterday or whatever happened day for yesterday. I don't care. I care about today. Price action. See what happens on EU. After EU took Asian high. Now, let's go and check the XY. What happened to the XY? Does it take it or not? And now relate to what I said earlier, that if both of them take, if EU takes a high, if the XY takes the low, the initial trend is what is likely to what? To continue. So see what happened. Market sold. That is part of my what this thing, and this actually happened. What time is this? Let's check the time. Yes, around New York, gong. I mean London, not New York, London session. I'm already giving you guys more it is well giving you guys, but there's still more in my sleeves. There's still more, there's still more. Market is still large. So what I'm saying is that you have to pay attention to the market. Sit down with it, pay attention, study it as if you will not study anything again. See it at exactly 9 a.m. That was London session. Market boosted, broke, and once it broke, I came to the 15 minutes 15-minute time frame. As you can see, 15-minute time frame, and I entered. Life is not hard though. You see me that I did not bear. I let market do what he wanted to do. The truth is that if market is going if you are following market in the right direction, market will show opportunities. Opportunities can never finish in the market. Opportunities can never finish in the market. There will be more opportunities in the market. And see what happened. So our markets to give out so many stuff. So markets to give out many stuff. See, look at entry. One entry. This was 1. This was 2. This was 3. Look at the occurrence now. Market what? Price was breaking the highs. But it was not breaking the low. Can you see? So I think that this should be all for today. So don't forget to what? To like, to comment, to share with your friends, talk about it, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. So go back to your chat and practice. Take care. See you again.